YouTube video unboxing of unboxing the Tri-Strike, the Nerf Monsters Tri-Strike. Now this gun looks pretty sick. I got this off of Walmart from my tournament of hockey. I won a medal, and I got this gun because I scored 2 goals, a goal in the shootout, and 2 assists, and 1 goal today. So that's why I have this gun here. So yeah. And it comes with a barrel that can shoot mega darts. The missile that you can't shoot the missile without the stock, because the stock has to be connected to the missile launcher, so it goes together and it pumps it, so the air all the way goes up to there, all the way to the missile launcher and shoots the missile. What's cool about it is there's a stock attachment right there, and the missile and the stock. So what you could do is take the missile, the little missile launcher thing off in the stock, and put it together and make one bazooka launcher missile thing. So we got there's a 10 dart magazine way down here. Probably can't see it, but yeah, we got 4 mega darts, 10 elite darts, 1 missile, and you can start reading some cautions. And this box is pretty cool. I like the modular stuff. I'm going to give you a warning. The modular stuff are a little expensive. I'm just giving you that thing. But the attachments aren't that expensive, okay? So on the box, I'm pretty curious about this. There's like pictures of the ammo, like see-through on the box, and there's a little picture of Hasbro. And it says Monsters Tri-Strike up here if you don't know the name. And all blasters say if you're not quite sure if it's a modulus, if you're new to Nerf, it says modulus right here. And the modulus blasters aren't just the greenish color; they could be any other color too. That's what I know. And the magazine holds 10 darts, and I'm pretty sure you already know that. Sometimes, like the Retaliator and the Raider 35, CS35, you could put a dart in the bottom of the hand grip, but this one you can't. So let's go to the back of the box. Oh yeah, and the barrel has a long thing. So at the back, we got the picture of a kid, a guy holding the gun. And this is what cool. Modulus is basically a series that you could make attachments. Like, I really want to get all these attachments to make guns, like stuff else. Like, I'll tell you something I really want to get. I really want to get this pack that comes with. I just want to get the main modulus blaster. That's like the second modulus blaster I'm aiming for. But this might. The main modulus blaster is like $100 or more. Yeah, it's way more than 100. It's 100 something. And I already got the Recon Mark II stock. And this stock can hold this stock. This doesn't come with the gun, but this stock can hold a magazine in it, but it's really floppy. I have this barrel. This barrel is pretty cool because you can put another barrel on that barrel and buy more of them off of Amazon. This is a folding hand grip. I mean, that's the folding hand grip. This one is, and yeah. This is a little hand grip that can shoot little darts. I have this laser scope. See, these are the 3 main little objects, which is the hand grip, the laser scope, and the light. I only have the laser scope out of these 3. I don't have the flashlight or anything. So yeah, it says, I don't know what this means, 1,000 plus. And all this stuff you could just read by yourself if you get the gun. So yeah, I got this from Walmart, and I'll tell you the story. I was walking to Walmart, and my dream gun was the Tri-Strike, and I just walked and went to the Nerf aisle, and I saw a Tri-Strike. It was like, it's almost like, it's like a 1% chance of happening out of 100. I was really shocked, and it has to be the one there. So I didn't have to go drive all the way to a different city with Toys R Us and buy a Tri-Strike. I just had to go to Walmart, which is just across town. I just found the Tri-Strike. So yeah, Nerf Tri-Strike. Really cool. Oh my god. Oh yeah, one thing. There's a railing up here. The jammer door's right there. There's a railing on the missile thing. So when you took the stock off and put the missile thing on the stock to make it one bazooka, there is still a railing, which is really cool. So you can't see, but in the corner we got the darts and the little priming bars that you put in here in these holes and pump it. So when you prime it back, the other side primes back too, which is really cool. And these aren't only available at Toys R Us. You could also get them at Walmart, because I found it at Walmart. Oh yeah, age 8. I'm not 8, but I kind of am this month. This actually is my birthday gift. But yeah, I don't know how to read it. You just start reading that stuff. So I don't know what this is. This is an R, and on every attachment, even the main gun, of course, even the magazine down there, they all say Nerf. Like this one says Nerf, Nerf, Nerf. That's in white. Can't really see it. Maybe on the other side it would be black, so you can't see it. I'm not quite sure if there's a not beautiful side and a beautiful side. I have no clue. Yeah, and the jammer door is just a sliding. It doesn't lock. So this gun's just a modulus. You could stock, barrel, magazine, railing. That's a disappointment. One railing. Sheesh, baby. That's not good. It's not good for modulus. It's like treating its bad ways. And to shoot the mega darts, you pump this thing forward and slam it back, and the more you slam it back, the harder it shoots. That's what I know about it. Oh yeah, there might be a little more things that I didn't say. Modulus is just the best series ever. Like, attachments! Like, make them all attach and stuff. That's just cool. And the missile launcher's at the top. And the mega darts are on the front, and it shoots from the big long barrel right here. It shoots from here through here, from that big barrel. When I first saw this gun, I was like, whoa. And I thought these were the elite darts because they look small, and this was the mega. You know what I mean, right? And I thought this was just some sort of new missile because it's so huge. Oh yeah. So yeah, I think I already told you this. Oh wait, I didn't tell you this. No batteries for this gun. That is a thing. Nerf, this gun is just going to be awesome. My dream gun. I'm so excited. But what was that? Oh, stuff just fell down. So it's just awesome. There's pictures and stuff and stuff and stuff. So let's just get to the blaster. Let's unbox it now. You've been waiting. There's a picture of Mega, there's a picture of Elite where things shoot, so yeah. Ooh. You could comment to me if I forgot one thing about this that I didn't tell you about. So here's just the main blaster. Let's see. Yep, there is no whole thing. Really comfy hand grip, actually. Like, this is like one of the comfiest so far. Got the barrel, jammer door. Oh my god. This is like the century of Nerf. I mean, what was that? Okay. So here we got the magazine, the 10 dart magazine. This is the banana shape, which is weird. I wish it was, but it kind of looks better. So you put the arrow facing the way that it shoots. Oh wait, I can't do that because the things are in the little timing bars. I'll just get the mega thing. This is the mega barrel. Here. Nerf. Wow. Nerf. Actually, I better do this. I never did this. But let me try. Get that first part open. Nah, never mind. We'll do that. The barrel is so hard to get out. Can you please this be a little? Oh, there we go. That's pretty cool. And right here we got the missile shooter with the railing. That's actually a really big pump. One railing on here, which is really cool. So it's basically one railing if you have it on the gun. I bet you can't hear me over all of this noise. Well, you probably can, but that's maybe noise. Oh my god! There we go. Yeah, this is like the hurricane. The hurricane of missiles. I'm gonna get this little notch open. There we go. Oh. Oh. There's a little, there's a knife. Where's that knife? I don't know where the knife is. Tender magazine. Do you have it? Knife! Oh, there it is. There's a little tape right here. No one will ever know about that tape. Actually, I shouldn't do that because I might make a hole in the thing. So I better leave that or just use it with my fingers. No, I can't get this open. This part open. I don't know how. Because I don't want to make a hole in this and I can't use it because it would be absolute junk. But down here we got the darts and stuff. And yeah, that's actually a really good idea. I should have done that. Why? This is not really how you should unbox blasters. So, got the missile. Here, let's open the missile up. And you could use these with the same missiles from the Thunder Blast and the Demolisher and stuff. Oh god. And if you don't know what the Demolisher is, I have it, so you should watch my arsenal and see what it is. Pretty good gun. It's four AAA batteries for that gun. And again, it doesn't need any batteries. So we got the missile. Actually, just the look. Slow motion turning. And the hole inside of it. And right here we got the 4 mega darts. This is just going to be really cool. I can guarantee it. I'm just going to check if it's still recording. Yep. Yep. Perfect. So, how am I going to get these mega darts open? Oh, mega darts. These are what the mega darts look like. 2 of them. And here's the other 2. And we'll get the 10 original Elite darts out. And I think I know why they were hard cords. Because they don't want people at the store stealing the parts. I mean, you know what I mean. Actually, she did like blue or something. I'm just kidding, that won't work. Look, these are really hard. In my Hyperfire video, it was very easy for the darts to go out. Oh, there we go. Junk. Woo! And last but not least, oh, where are they? Hello? Oh, it's over here. The instructions, that's not the thing. Open the instructions. They're a picture of Hasbro and Nerf. Wait. Here's the instructions. Both sides of them. I mean, yeah, both sides. You can pause the video and start reading. In fact, you could do that with this. Here, I'll just show you. Yeah, here, pause the video and start reading. Pause the video, pause the video and start reading on this side. Okay, that was just a waste of time. Waste of time for my life. Okay. Let's get back. Let's get back. Get all the darts out of the way. And module darts like better, like the best darts you can actually get. Seems like it. And what? And last but not least, this is like the priming bars. I actually never put priming bars ever into guns because you think I might have did it with this Centurion before I made unboxing videos. Nope, wrong you are, because I bought it thing at Valley Village with the magazine. If there wasn't a magazine, that would be junk, right? There we go, some junk on there. So let's put them in. Oh my god. I never did this. This is like, where's, and I have to slam it. No, I don't know how to do it. You might have to hear a click or something. Is that right? Like this? No. This might be a little hard. Oh yeah, the magazine goes right here. Warning, kids. You might have to use your parents' help. Oh. There we go. Okay. My sister's screaming. So this is just the main blaster. What it looks like. So I'm going to fill one dart in the magazine and show you how the gun works with just no attachments on. That's how it would work. Okay, let's go in medium situation. sure for sure. I can shoot it just like that. It's like the barrel is just a gun. That was so cool. And you can shoot mega darts on a different blaster, I guess, which is really cool. So this is basically a whole gun because you can shoot. There's a little barrel thing. So that was actually really cool. Just followed by itself. Yep. Okay. Where did that dirt go? Did I grab it? Oh. I don't know what it is. Okay. Now let's actually make the gun with the barrel on. There we go. Tri-Strike, you're working out so good. No matching colors, that's one sad thing. Oh yeah, I can't put the fully gun on. Sorry. I'm sorry. Don't want to break the air tube. Because you never want to break the air tube. Yeah, I can't get this out so far. But so far, the gun seems like it works pretty well. And again, if you didn't see me shoot, you have to prime this back so the hole isn't in the way. Put the magazine in, prime it forwards, and shoot. It's just pretty good. So this is what the gun looks, half of it looks like. And here's what the little things in there look like. So yeah. Hear that? Okay. And this gun doesn't seem like it would jam like ever. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You can just hold an extra dart right in there. See that? Oh, you can hear the air coming out of it. That's really cool. Tri-Strike, you're doing very well. I'm proud of you, buddy. So, here. Mega Dart, Elite Dart, and Mega Missile. Boom! So, yeah, the instructions are right here. Again, if you want to pause the video, just start reading from earlier. But so far, the gun's awesome. So, I'm going to start playing with it. So, yeah, that's just the gun. Gun, awesome. Jam door, really? Oh, I never do that. If I pull the jammer... that for? Oh, maybe you have to pull the thing back. Yeah, you have to pull the priming bars back and then open the jammer door. Not just open the jammer door, because I guess that's not what you should do. And really, stock barrel, but I already have a barrel on, so I'll just actually shoot Mega Dart when it's on the gun. Mega Darts do a little good. Mega Darts shoot like about like 5 Mavericks combined. Yeah, it shoots really good. Okay. And you can shoot the missile on different blocks. That's good. So yeah. Kids don't play with knives, even though I have one. Oh yeah, cautions. Stuff. Bye guys, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe. And please like for the Tri-Strike and the Tri-Strike missile. And remember, these are hard to put in. The magazine, the darts, it's a raining party. And the junk. So yeah, subscribe and like, please.
Yeah.